What's up, Peak Timers? Today we're having a close-up look at all the different variations of the Hot Wheels Lamborghini Huracan. Let's have a close-up look at them and then race them down the track. There are two different casting variations of the Huracan. There is the standard road car in several different color variations, as well as the Huracan LP620-2 Super Trofeo. Let's start with the standard road car variation. The first one we have for the road car variation is this nice looking yellow variation. And this one does have the chrome 5-star wheels on there. Beautiful looking casting. It looks really nice in yellow, yellow being my favorite color, so this one is one of my favorite ones of this casting. Very nice. Good tampo work on the front, a Lamborghini logo all around, black interior. Cool looking car. The next one we have is the green colored variation, very similar to the yellow one, except it's a green with a metallic flake in the paint job. It's also got the chrome 5-star wheels on it. Looks very nice from the front, and you can see right there, you can see a little bit of the lines a little bit nicely in this green colored variation. Cool casting. I really like this casting. Very nice, good detail to it. All right, our next color variation is a red one, and this one was featured in one of the multi-packs, and this one has some different wheels on there. These are a little bit newer wheels, and it's got the stripe down the center. You can see mine does have a slight error right there. You can see the paint that kind of goes over on the stripe, but that's okay. It still looks really good. I like the striping down it, although in real life, I think a solid color would probably suit it best. And these ones are very nice to buy and modify in real life as well. A lot of guys modify their Huracans now. Great looking car though. All right, next up we have is this one right here, and this one is one of the ones featured in the Forza set. And this one, you can see it's got the Xbox logo right there, then it says Forza right on the front, and this one is like a pearl white color. Very nice looking color to it. It's not your standard pure white. It's very pearl-esque. Hopefully you can see it in my lighting here, but it's very cool looking color to it. And it's got these black wheels, and it's got the gold lip on those black wheels, and of course got the black interior just like all of them here. Very cool looking. You can see that Forza logo on the top as well, and it's got that stripe that goes right down the center in the middle of that logo. And I've got a little bit of tad bit right there, but very nice. I like this one. This one is a cool looking casting too. A cool looking color. And the last color we have for the road car is this orange one, and this orange one, I think this one might have been featured in one of the multi-packs as well, and it's got the big stripe down the center. Actually, this one might be part of the Lamborghini 8 car set. Yeah, it could be part of the Lamborghini 8 car set. Blacked out wheels all on this one, and you can see that stripe that goes down. It kind of opens up a little bit on the front hood right there, but very nice tampo work you can see for those headlights. Very cool looking. I like the orange. Orange is very fitting for the Huracan, or even just Lamborghinis in general. I think orange is one of the best looking colors for them. All right, let's move on to the Super Trofeos. For the first one we'll show you is this green one. And the Super Trofeo is a very nice looking racing car, so it is still a Huracan, but it's all decked out in its racing spoiler, and you can see the huge diffuser on the back of it as well that kind of goes right under. A Lamborghini all on the side, number 33 on this one, and you can see the striping that goes down the center, and look at the snorkel hood on there, and check out from that front as well. Wow, so cool. I love the big wing on there. Looks awesome. All right, next up we have is this gray one, and this one is kind of like a metallic flake gray, and gray looks really good. It kind of matches these wheels, which they all have these wheels on there except the newest one. But you can see number 63 on this one, and you can see very nice looking work all the way down the front, and to that nice big diffuser, and the tampo work still stays on these ones as well. Very good detail to it. Big rear wing and diffuser on there. Very awesome. Love the gray. Looks good. Shows the car very nicely. And our next one we have is the yellow variation. very similar to the green one, just in yellow. They just flip the colors. So all the same Tampa work on it as well. Number 33 got the same wheels on there, the big rear wing. And of course you can see those snorkels on the front very nicely of this one as well. Awesome, awesome. And last but not least, we have our newest color, and that is this matte white finish to it. Matte white, and it's got the red bottom. So that, I think it's a cool looking. It's very kind of hardcore looking. And you can see even on the front paintwork, they kind of extended some Tampa work out right here. So it makes it a little more aggressive looking. Very cool. Wow, 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 wow. Like this one. And this one also has different wheels, all blacked out wheels, but they're kind of like those mesh wheels on there. So different from the other ones, but still so cool looking. This one definitely has more detail to it. Although in the back, because it's all white, it kind of blends in. It's too bad they couldn't put a little bit more paintwork on there, but you can see on the side this Lamborghini logo right there. None of the other ones have, so very unique, but very, very cool. All right, guys, we're gonna head on over to the track and we're gonna race these all down the track and we're gonna find out which one of them is the fastest. All right, guys, we're at the track and we've got 3 different groupings of the Huracans. There they are. We'll start it off with this grouping for race number 1, and the winner of each grouping will go on to the finals to face each other to find out which one's the fastest. And this is our official peak time racing track emergency crew. They will be standing at the finish line to make sure everything is okay. Race number 1's all set. We've got the red Huracan here. We've got the green Super Trofeo in the middle and the yellow standard Huracan on the side in lane number 1. Here we go. Race number 1. On your mark, get set, go. And the green Huracan Super Trofeo takes the win for race number 1, but we're set for race number 2. We've got the white Huracan Super Trofeo, we've got the green Huracan, and we've got the gray Huracan Super Trofeo. There's our nice lineup of 3 cars. Here we go. Race number 2. On your mark, get set, go! And it's 2 wins for the Huracan Super Trofeos. The white one takes the win and moves on to the finals. And our last grouping, we've got 2 Huracans and 1 of the Huracan Super Trofeos. We'll put them all in the lanes with the white one, the yellow Huracan Super Trofeo, and the orange Huracan. Here we go. Race number 3, who's gonna be the last car to go into our finals. On your mark, get set, go! Go! Well, so far we know the Huracan Super Trofeos are a faster casting, but let's see which one of them is the fastest. We've got yellow in lane 6, white in lane 4, and green in lane 1. Here we go. The fastest Lamborghini Huracan, we'll find out right now. On your mark, get set, go! And it's the green Lamborghini Huracan Super Trofeo that takes the win and is the fastest of the Lamborghini Huracans. Thanks, big timers, for watching this video. Make sure you follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe and throw this video a like. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.